Welcome to FKG Credit Solution Education Platform. I was hired to give you the credit game. So listen up and take notes. I don't care where you are in the world, you can change your life with this information and get on the right track. Please grab a pen, and a few sheets of paper, and remember to take notes for your studies. Debit versus credit. Credit and debit are two different financial terms related to transactions and accounts, often used in the context of banking and personal finance. They represent opposite actions and have different implications. Credit. When you use a credit card or take out a loan, you are essentially borrowing money from a financial institution. In a credit transaction, you receive goods or services without immediately paying for them with your own money. The financial institution extends you credit, and you agree to pay back the borrowed amount, typically with interest, at a later date. Credit transactions increase your debt or liability. You owe the amount you borrowed, and it will appear as a balance on your credit card statement or loan account. Timely repayment of credit obligations can help build your credit history and improve your credit score, which can be important for future financial transactions. Debit. When you make a debit transaction, you are using your own money from your bank account to make a purchase or pay a bill. Debit transactions are immediate and involve the transfer of funds from your bank account to the recipient's account. Debit transactions do not create debt, they reduce the balance in your checking or savings account. Debit cards, checks, and online transfers are common methods for making debit transactions. There is typically no interest associated with debit transactions because you are using your own funds. In summary, credit involves borrowing money and paying it back later with interest, while debit involves using your own funds to make immediate payments. The choice between credit and debit depends on your financial situation, goals, and the specific transaction or purchase you are making. It's important to use each method responsibly to manage your finances effectively. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Email us if you need one-on-one help.